How to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add some skills to your profile on LinkedIn. It is very easy and simple to do. Follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now you have to sign in for your profile on LinkedIn. It is easy. Sign in, put your email password and you are good. Now, if this case or this page doesn't show up, which is the profile page, all you have to do is you click on the favicon right here, which is written me, and click on view profile. After you have clicked on view profile, the right landing page is this. It has the banner of your choice, and we have the photo that we have made, also the profile information that you have. If you scroll down a little bit on the downside, we are going to see the skills. Here we have the skills. You can go ahead and modify the skill that you have made, or if you don't have a skill, you click simply on plus. When you click simply on plus, it will showcase a lot of skills that you can add. For example, I am going to put, for example, chat. I can add chat. I will go and add the experience right here. I will click on save. It will be showing up the skill of chat right here for the software engineer at this company. Now, as you can see here, I have the chat. Also, I have the customer experience. If you don't see the skills section right here, all you have to do is to add a profile section. Here on the profile at the beginning, you click on add profile section. Here within the manual setup in the core right here, you can see right here about education, position, services, career break, and the most important one, it is skills. I click on add skills, then it will be showing us the skills that are available depending on our profile. If you don't see here the skills that you have, you can also put, for example, the skill search right here, software, for example, software. Right here you can put software development, software engineer, installation, Microsoft Office. It is up to you. Then you click simply on save and it will be showing up on your profile. Let's go here on the skills. Here we have the Microsoft, the chat, and also all the skills. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.